Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to install Google Meet app in Windows 11. Let me show you how to install that and how to access that option. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I have installed Windows 11. It is a beautiful operating system from Windows. So I've just to open Google Chrome browser and I just to open meet.google.com. So if I want to create a new meeting, I can go to the website. I can able to log in with my email account. I can able to start my meeting, but I can install the application from the Windows and I can access that easily. What I have to do, so once you select this option, so meet.google.com, the Google Meet website will be open here. So now I would like to install the application from my laptop. So what I have to do, so on your right hand side you will get option called Chrome browser, 3 dots. Just hit the button, you will get a lot of options. Just select install Google Meet. So once you click install Google Meet, automatically install app will be open here. So this is the pop-up menu. So you just install the application, just click install. So once you install, automatically you will get a Google Meet application pop-up window. So this is a pop-up windows of Google Meet. So you can get this option from this. So you can access your entire Google Meet, everything whatever you want you can able to access. So this is a beautiful option. So use this option, you can create a lot of things. So for example, you just want to uninstall this Google Meet, you can uninstall this your Google Meet, or open with Chrome browser, you can have access. So if you want to copy or paste anything else, you can directly do that. So this is an easy option from the Google Meet. So for example, this is what I need to have. For example, I have the browser, so it is a different kind of browser. I want to have the access of my meeting, means this is a easy and have an accessible point. Once you create a Google Meet option, automatically the shortcut will be created in your desktop. So I just to close this option. So I just want to open and create a meeting, means I don't want to go to the Google Chrome browser. I just close this entire toolbox, just open this application. Automatically the application particularly open here, so I can create my meeting, I can start my meeting. So whatever I want I can do according to my needs. So this is a entire pop-up window. So your Google Chrome, you can browse something else, so you can get all kind of notes or all kind of meeting details you can share with Google Meet application. Use this option, you can install your Google Meet from your Windows 11 new operating system. Hope this video will help you to install Google Meet in your laptop. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.